Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to take a look at this Tietoc mini chainsaw. And you're going to get to see it like I am for the first time. I just got it. It's still sealed. I literally just cut open the seal on the front, and we are going to open it up and see what comes in the box. And at the end of the video, I will go out and I'll actually try it a few times and so you can see how it cuts. All right, so let's take a quick look. So when you open it up, this is the way it's going to look. Everything is packaged nice and neatly. I do like that. It comes with some protective glasses, which are great. Let's see what this is. It has a little bottle. I'm assuming that is going to be for oil, so that you can oil the chain as you need it. So here is your battery. Works very much like a DeWalt type battery. Clips from the very front. Don't know if they're interchangeable. I'll have to try that and see. Probably not. But there is that. Comes with instruction manual. And let's see. We have a little glove. Actually, we have two little gloves. When I say little, I doubt they're going to fit my hands. But hey, they're in there. There is a chain, and it looks like this is probably a spare chain, which is nice. They give you a backup because it looks like this chain's on there. We'll know in a second. They even give you a Phillips screwdriver. I'm impressed with that. So they do throw a lot of little extras in. And there is a little brush for cleaning off the chain. Has a guard. Let's see if yeah, there is definitely a chain on here. So this is a little safety mechanism. I like that. Let's see if this just pulls off. So yes, it's a 6-inch little cutting blade. Has a guard to keep you from getting kicked back and hitting you. Very nice feature. Nice guard. Really like the extra chain. Don't see that very often. And here is your charger. Now, battery, let's see how this is going to actually charge. So I'm assuming you're going to have to put, no, actually this battery charges itself. So it has a little input right here. Don't know if you can see that. But you will take that spot and you will take the end of your charger and it plugs in. I can tell that right there. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go and plug it in and let it start charging. So grab my cord, set it there. Let's set this thing to charge. See if it shows any kind of an indicator light or anything. Not really seeing anything, but it looks like it is actually fully charged. If you hit that, it lights up all the way across. But that's how you charge. All right, so we already know we got a full charge. There's your indicator light. It's right here, and it's actually in red, meaning it is trying to charge some. So I'll put that back on the charger here in a minute. See, when it's fully done, it goes green. Let's take a look at the actual unit itself, though. We know how that's going to clip on. I'm going to look at it first before I play with it. Now, interesting, it has a little air bubble here. I'm assuming that is going to prime oil onto the chain. And let's see what goes here. I would imagine, yep, that's going to be to fill up oil. So you're going to have to fill this with oil, and then you will use the little pump to push the oil onto the chain. Pretty self-explanatory. If you're going to be tightening this chain, you're going to loosen here and move it backward or forward. I'm going to go ahead and leave it alone right now because it looks like it's already set where it needs to be set. Now, when you go out and cut, you're going to have oil in it before you start cutting, but we should be able to fire it up a little and at least make sure it's running, it's working. So we put it on just like that. And it's got a safety mechanism here. You have to push that in and pull the trigger. If I try to pull, nothing, it's locked. Push that in, pull. Sounds really good. It seems like it has an awful lot of power. So what we're going to do is we're going to go out here in a minute. I'm going to go and put a little oil in that thing, have it ready to rock and roll. And I'll finish this video showing you a few cuts on some limbs around the house here. So pick yourself up one of these little 6-inch mini saws today. I don't think you'll regret it. This one seems to be very well made with a lot of little extras. We will see you guys on the next review.